Still using VLC in 2025? That's like showing up to a Formula 1 race in a shopping cart. It had its time, but now it's clunky, crashes mid-movie, and has the same UI since dial-up internet. Let's talk about the media players that actually deserve your time. VLC had a good run. It played everything, and it still kinda does. But if you want modern looks, smoother playback, smart features, or literally anything that doesn't feel like it came out of 2005, it's time for an upgrade. Let's run through the absolute best players to replace VLC. And no, Windows Media Player didn't make the cut. 1. Power DVD. This one's the king. It plays Blu-rays, 8K, VR. Basically, if your grandma burned it to disc, Power DVD will play it in IMAX. Sleek UI, theater quality playback, and built for serious home setups. 2. Pot Player. If VLC went to engineering school and got ripped, this would be it. Lightning fast playback, endless settings, and GPU acceleration that actually works. Great for people who like customizing everything. 3. GOM Player. Your codecs missing? GOM finds it for you like a video player detective. Plus, it handles 360 degrees and VR better than most. Just watch out during installation, it loves sneaking in bonus software. 4. Zoom Player. Customizers, this one's your playground. Tweak every aspect of how your video plays, looks, and behaves. It's like VLC and Photoshop had a very nerdy baby. 5. Vidmore Player. Still rocking DVDs or Blu-rays? Vidmore treats physical media like royalty, menus actually work, and playback is butter smooth. Simple interface, serious results. 6. SM Player. Tiny, clean, and quietly amazing. It remembers where you left off in every video, yes, even that one. Perfect if you just want it to work without clicking 37 settings. 7. MPCB. A modern version of the legendary Media Player classic. Looks fresher, runs lighter, and plays like a champ. No fluff, just reliable performance. 8. MPCHC. The home cinema version is old school but gold. Still one of the fastest, cleanest players for just hitting play and chilling. 0 distractions, maximum speed. 9. MPV. MPV is minimal on the outside, beast mode on the inside. If you love control, scripting, or even using terminal, this is your jam. Best paired with front-ends like ENA or Celluloid for a full experience. 10. BS Player. Need subtitles? BS Player is like your personal sub butler. It auto-downloads and syncs subs better than VLC ever did. Great for binging foreign shows or anime marathons. 12. Clementine. Okay, it's more for music, but a great sidekick if you have a massive audio collection. Built-in streaming support and slick library tools. A must-have for music nerds who organize tracks like tax documents. 13. KM Player. Super polished and flashy, like the sports car of media players. Handles UHD, 3D, and VR like a pro. Just keep an eye out for bloat and ads. 14. Media Monkey. It's not just a player, it's a media manager. Organizes huge libraries like it's running a museum archive. Amazing for syncing across devices and tagging like a boss. 15. MPlayer. The OG. No UI, no fluff, just raw performance. If it can't play your file, nothing can. Not for beginners, but pros will love it.